Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to remove accounts from your Xbox Series X. So let's say for instance you have a lot of accounts and you'd like to manage them, or you'd like to remove some accounts. All you have to do is power on your console and access this homepage, and then select the settings icon from the menu that appears on top of the screen. So choose that, and then within the settings scroll down and select account, and then scroll and choose remove accounts. So select that. So if you have a couple of accounts, so let's say for instance if you have 3 or 4 accounts, find the account you'd like to remove and select it, and then you'll be asked to remove this particular user from this Xbox console, and then you should read all that information before you continue. So if you'd like to proceed, select remove, and that particular account will be removed from your Xbox Series X. That's basically it on how to go about removing accounts on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.